I've been using DIGIPOWER RE-FUEL Extended Battery pack since May 2024. So it's been used for about 2 years as of now, with an average of 3 hours of recording daily. This refuel battery pack works daily, it's reliable. Press and hold the button to activate the battery pack. The light indicates the amount of charge the battery pack holds at this moment. It starts charging the camera battery right away. Press the camera button on the top to start recording. On rare occasions, as I imitate it now, the camera doesn't respond. It happens for unknown reasons a couple of times through a season in my experience. This is the only problem I've ever experienced with it. Also, it could be the GoPro issue, not the battery pack. Revive the camera by pulling the GoPro battery out and placing it back in. This original GoPro battery is more than 5 years old. It could be the cause of the problem too. Anyway, let's put it back. Now let's mount the camera back. You may notice the top corner of the camera is damaged. One time I mounted the camera slightly misaligned and closed the enclosure on it. Well, the GoPro remains functional despite the damage and still works as it should even in the rain. Okay, let's press the record button. That's it, the camera is recording now. The GoPro battery is fully charged and keeps charging from the extended battery as it keeps recording. Press the record button to stop recording. The camera will turn off while keeping charging from the extended battery. Press and hold the power button to turn off the extended battery. I use Lexar 256GB memory card. It allows me to record up to 16 hours and 15 minutes of continuous videos in high def 60 frames per second. The GoPro camera can record in a loop, deleting old videos automatically. I use the GoPro app on my phone for saving particular videos before deleting everything from the SD card. I prefer to delete videos manually once or twice a week. Press the camera power button. Look at the top of the screen to see how much time is available for recording. 2 hours and 50 minutes in this example. Swipe the screen from the top to bottom. Choose the Preferences button. Swipe the screen from bottom to top until you get to the Format SD card option. Choose Format SD card. Choose Delete. Wait 5 seconds for files to be deleted. All videos will be deleted. That's it. You can adjust all preferences in the menu. Exit the menu by pushing the camera power button. Check the available recording time at the top of the screen. I have 16 hours and 15 minutes for recording in full HD 60 frames per second. Press and hold the camera power button to turn off the camera. Deleting files this way is much faster than by using the app. Now let's put the 2 years old extended battery pack to the test to see how long the camera would record. I did a similar test when the extended battery was brand new, giving 8+ hours of recording in full HD 30 frames per second. Notice that I switched from 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second. That's how I record all my rides. I start recording at 8 PM and let the camera record until all batteries dry out completely through the night. Keep in mind that both the GoPro and the extended battery pack can be charged through USB while recording. That's a very handy feature for potentially indefinite recording in a loop mode. The batteries died at 2:30 am. Let's double check the power meter. Yeah, the extended battery is dead. And the GoPro battery is also dried out. The GoPro camera shuts down automatically when left without any power source available. So I got a total of 6 hours and 30 minutes of video recording in Full HD 60 frames per second on this 2 years old extended battery pack. It's double the amount of my average 3 hours daily ride. Let's charge the batteries to get it ready for the next ride. I've been using this DIGIPOWER RE-FUEL Extended Battery pack riding in all New York weather, in the range of temperatures from 2 Fahrenheit to 102 Fahrenheit, rain and snow. It simply works as it should. Please share your thoughts and ask questions in the comments. Have fun and safe rides!